Chapter number 6, Statistics. So today we're going to learn about this chapter, and this one the last chapter of Maths 1. The measure of central tendency is divided in three parts: mean, median, and mode. Mean means average of the number. It is easy to calculate, add up all the number and then divide by how many numbers there are. In other words, it is the sum divided by the count. Now we learn the method of mean. Direct method. There is three different methods, but this year we are going to learn only direct method. Direct method mean, it is noted by the x, and formula is sum of xi fi upon sum of fi. That's the formula we're going to learn in this chapter. The first formula of the chapter is direct method of mean. So let us look the practice set 6.1. Now here you can see in this sum the following table shows the number of students and time they utilize daily for their studies. Find the mean time spent by the student for their studies by direct method. So here you can see the time is given, number of student is given. Now we use direct method. So here you can see the time and number of student is given. So first we draw the table. Write down the time, that is the class. Then find out the class mark. How to find the class mark? There is a formula to find the class mark. Add the class, that is the lower class plus upper class divided by 2. So 0 plus 2 divided by 2. So that you get the 2 divided by 2, that is 1. That is the method to find the class mark. Same if you try here. So here it is 2 plus 4 divided by 2. So you get a 6 divided by 2, that is 3. So this way we find the class mark. Then number of the student is given there. So that is your frequency. That is 7, 18, 12, 10 and 3. Then frequency is multiplied with the class mark, that is xi fi. Okay. So 1 multiply with the 7. So as 1 multiply with 7. So what do you get? 7. 3 multiply with the 18, 54. 5 multiply with the 12, you get a 60. 7 plus 10, 7 multiply with the 10, 70. Then 9 multiply with the 3, you get a 27. Then add all this number. This you have to add. So the total you get the 218. Here add this all, so you get the fi, sum of fi. This sign is known as sum of number, or you can say sigma. So 7 plus 18 plus 12 plus 10 plus 3, you get a 15. So this one your 50. It is sum of fi 218 sum of fi and xi. Now we apply the mean formula. Mean formula is fi xi upon fi. So 218 divided by 50. So what do you get? 4.36. So that is your answer. It is clear? Now we can see the next question of the same direct mean method. Question number 3 of your textbook. Here it is given a milk center sold milk to 50 customers. The table below gives the number of customers and the milk they purchased. Find the mean of the milk sold by direct method. So here you can see in the table milk sold and number of customers. So again we draw the table. First we write down the class. Then we find out the class mark. Again apply the same formula. 1 plus 2 you get a 3. So that 3 divided by 2, so you get a 1.5. So that is your answer. Then 2 minus 3. So here also you added 2 plus 3, you get a 5. 5 divided by 2 is 2.5. Then write down all frequency, add it. So you added the total frequency, you get a 50. Here again frequency and class mark. So fi xi. So 1.5 multiply with the 17. So you get the 25.5. 2.5 multiply with 13. You get a 32.5. 3.5 multiply with the 10. You get a 35. So as in the end you added this whole number. So you get 141. Now find out the mean. So again apply the formula for the mean. X, it is sum of fi xi upon sum of fi. So 141 divided by 50, you get the 2.82. These two sums you have to solve for your practice 6.1. That is your portion for practice 6.1. Now the next part we can see the next part of this chapter. It is median.